Hello, welcome. Today we're going to be learning how to check your neco results. How do you check your neco results? After writing the neco, you need to see your results so that you can use them for your post-UTME and other uses. So to do that, you simply get to your address bar just the way it is written here, www.mynecoexams.com/results. You see the way it is written here. Take note of this address, www.mynecoexams.com/results. Once you type it in and click enter, press your enter key on your keyboard, you're going to see this website exactly the way it is here. So you're going to select whether you wrote the normal neco June July or whether you wrote the GCE neco, which is November December. So it's either of these two options depending on the neco you wrote, the normal neco that you write in schools June July, or the private GCE November December. So I'm going to pick this for people that wrote in school. Then the year that you wrote the exam, 2013 to 18, any year you wrote, you write. Then when you check the back of your scratch card that you bought to check this result, scratch it, the pin number that you see, type it in here. So when you type in the pin here, then you put your exam number. Take note, very importantly, your exam number is the one that ends with two alphabets. Two alphabets is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 letters that ended with two alphabets, 8 numbers with two alphabets. When you check, you're always going to see some other things like your exam number, school number, and all the rest of them. Make sure you choose the one that has 8 numbers and 2 letters. That is your examination number. It's on your photo card. Check it. Once you finish, click on check result. Once you click on check result, you're going to see your result and you'll be able to print it. Please, if you like this video, click on the subscribe button, share these videos to other people so that they can see and know about how to get around this. Thank you. If you have any questions on how to go about this and any other one, hit the subscribe button below. Thank you. God bless you.